This is Kiran from Tech4Tech, and in today's video we'll be discussing something about mail merge using Microsoft Office tools. So this requires both Microsoft's Word as well as Microsoft's Excel to complete this particular task. So we'll go into the computer and from there we'll see how this can be done. My previous video was something similar to this thing. It was something about how to do mail merge using LibreOffice. So if you haven't seen that particular video, I'll be adding the link to that particular video in my description so that you will be able to go there and watch that particular video. So we'll go into the video and from there we'll see how it can be done. So this is my computer and I have already made a folder which has got one Excel file as well as one Microsoft's Word document. Inside the Word document we have this particular letter. It has got place and date. I have given my name, and here we'll be adding again the mail merge is basically an option through which you will be able to send this particular letter to multiple clients without repeating or copying anything. So this is a process through which only the two addresses will be changed multiple times, and personalized salutations can also be included through this method. So before going into the next part, we'll open up the Excel file also. So this file basically contains all the addresses of the person who I'm going to send this particular letter to. So the salutations are there: first name, it is there, second name, address, post office, city name, and pin codes. So this is a made up document. So as you could see from the names and even the addresses, so this is a made up document by me. So don't look into the details of these things. So it is basically an address. So if you have multiple number of addresses where you need to send this particular letter, then what you can do is you can go into this Word document. Then you can go into the mailings tab. So there is a separate tab called as mailings. There you can go into the start mail merge menu. On bottommost part you can see that there is an option called as step-by-step mail merge reset. It's better to opt for this thing, so you can start from the beginning, so you don't have to bother about any of the other things. You can directly go into the step-by-step mail merge reset. Once it is clicked, this particular menu will open up, and here you can see this can be opted for duplicating letters. You can send multiple emails. Again, emails I don't think as of now it is valid, because we do have in email itself we do have the option for something like a carbon copy or blind carbon copy, through which you will be able to send the same mail to multiple clients. So I don't think it will be that much of importance in this particular time, but the option it is there. We can print the addresses to envelopes. We can create labels. We can even create directories through which you will be able to once the database it has been included into the into this particular application, then later you will be able to create directories and other things, so that you can easily create something similar to this thing, right? So for this demonstration, I'll be going for letters. I'll not be opting for any of the other things. So we'll directly click on letters and we'll go into the next option. Once you click on the next option, it will ask, do you want to create a new template of letter or whatever document we are going to send it to multiple clients. So for now, I will be going for the first option itself, that is the use the current document. This is the document which I want to repeat, or this is the document which I want to do the mail merge. So I'll be opting for the first option. Once that is selected, you can go to the next option, where you will have to select the address document. So you can either type in a new list, or what you can do is you can go with use an existing list. So I will go with use an existing list. I will be browsing and I will be going into my desktop, and I will be going into the mail merge folder where I have this addresses.xlsx file. So I will be selecting this particular file. I will be opening it. So it will say that that has only one sheet, so that is the first sheet, right? So I'll be selecting the first sheet. Once it is selected, automatically all these things, all the tables inside that thing, it has been added, and the headings has been taken as the what you can say, header of this particular database. So once this is done, you can sort these things in alphabetic order. You can do filtering option. You can find duplicates. So there are so many options over here. So I'll not be, as of now, I'll not be going into those things in detail. Instead, what I will do is I will click on OK. Right. Once this is done, what you can do is you can go into the next option. So here we can have, let us say I need an address block over here, right? So I'll be clicking on the address box. So it will say how your name has to be represented. As of now, only the first name it is being represented. So I need something like Mr. something similar to this thing. So but this is not coming. So for this is not coming because we haven't matched those things with the exact headings. So what you can do is you can go into the match fields option, and the first one is courtesy title. So for that, what I will do is I will go for the salutations, and my first name, it is not there. So what I will do is I will go for the last name, I will go for the second name, and for the middle name I will go for the first name. Then address, I will go with address 1, I will go with address. Address 2, I will go with the post office name. Then I do have the city option. Then postal code is something like pin code, right? PIN. So once you match these things exactly, then you can click on OK. Once you click this thing OK, then as you can see, everything is coming. So this is Mr. ZXC space V, that is a first name and second name. Then house number 127 is my address. PO is my post office thing. Then I do have the city as well as my pin code, right? So I can select, I can check whether everything is okay. Once everything is okay, I can click on OK. So the address block, it will be here, right? So I need one more thing. I need a greeting line. After this dear, I need a greeting line. So I can have either this dear, or I will say none, because dear is already over here, right? So instead, I will be adding this this thing. I will be opting for something like, yeah, this will be good, right? So Mr. U, I need first name and second name. So what I will do is I will go with this thing, right? So this looks okay. I will be clicking on OK. So the greeting line, it will come over here. Once this is done, you can go into this particular option, that is finish and merge. So I'll go into that particular option. I can have I can send these things as emails, or I can edit individual documents. That is another thing. Instead, what I will do is, for this demonstration, I will go with print documents. I will give all. Then what I can do is either I can print this live, or what I can do is I can go into the Microsoft print to PDF option, and I'll be clicking on OK, and I'll be again going into the mail merge option, and I'll be saving it as final print. I'll be saving this document. I'll be minimizing these things, and I'll be going into this option, and I will be opening the final print. As you could see, this has got 5 pages. This document has got 5 pages. So this is the first page. So everything is coming. Again, dear Mr. this thing is coming, and subject and other things are coming. And the page number 2, again, the address has been changed. The dear, it is there. So this is also okay. This is also okay. Yeah, this is good. This also is good, right? So one more thing I can do is I can go into the letter option. What I can do is I can give a tab over here, so that it exactly matches the from. Again, the greetings, after greetings I need an enter. Again, before greetings also I will be keeping an enter. Once we do that, I can again I will go into the finish and merge option. I will be printing the documents. I will be saving it at the same location itself. So I'll be minimizing it. I will be again opening the final print option. Now, as you could see, everything is right. So this is how you'll be able to do this thing. I hope this information is useful. Please try out these features of Microsoft's Word to simplify your workload. Right. Bye bye for now. We'll see you with something new next time. Bye bye.